Hi, I'm Adam Fennig with Fennig Equipment, and we're here at the Fort Wayne Farm Show. And the last day, we're getting ready to pack up. But we wanted to talk about what we got going on next week. We've got an open house there at Fennig Equipment, and we're going to have Yetter Manufacturing, also Stephanie Smith with 360 Yield Center. And she's going to tell us what you can expect next week.
Yeah, really looking forward to seeing you guys next week. We're going to be focusing on how to make a profit in 320 corn. So we're going to be focusing on efficiency of nitrogen, focus on efficiency of our combine pass in terms of capturing grain, and really looking to work our residue and just set us up for the best possible outcome, as we go into the season, looking at lower commodity prices.
Yeah, we've got a lot of guys focusing on nitrogen management, and there's a lot of things that 360 can offer in talking about that. And also they have a few new exciting products that she might touch on. So it's going to be an exciting week. Hope to see everyone there.